the Honorable Chief Minister, who is joined as a party, along with the Director General of Police, along with the Commissioner of Police, along with the DCP of the area, and large police force, goes there, barges into the house. Whatever material was collected was taken over unauthorizedly, which according to me, my lord, I have not hidden anything, and I am not feeling shy of saying it's an offense of theft. But if this is, my lord, turning a blind eye to, Lord, this kind of things will continue, which will encourage not only the people in public life, it will encourage the officials, my lord, to not discharge their duty. Lord, item 27 reflects, my lord, a very shocking state of pattern emerging. This is one incident. Lord, I have narrated in past also, whenever statutory authorities exercising statutory powers of investigation goes there, Lord, the Honorable Chief Minister barges into the premises of the wherever, my lord, this is conducted.
How is this maintainable?
My lord, come to that. Lord, the officers, my lord, Director General of Police, the Commissioner of Police, they accompany her, they are accomplices, they, my lord, abate the offense, and thereafter, my lord, I'll place on record, I have prepared it, my lord, they sit on dharna, the uniformed service officers sit on dharna with political leaders, my lord. Now, my lord, on maintainability. Lord, maintainability, there are two petitions, my lord. One by the Enforcement Directorate and another Enforcement Directorate along with one officer, my lord, who is personally agree. He is a citizen of India. And, my lord, there is a second petition by two individual officers.
28.
Yes, my lord. And I have, my lord, narrated earlier incident also where Joint Director CBI's house was ransacked, my lord. It was garrowed by people, my lord. Stones were pelted. He was giving, my lord, frantic calls to survive him. To my lord, here, my lord, there was an evidence leading to, my lord, a conclusion that there is some incriminating material lying in one premises of a company and premises of one individual. My lord, the officers exercising powers under section 17 of PMLA goes there. They intimate the local police that we are going there. The Honorable Chief Minister, who is joined as a party, along with the Director General of Police, along with the Commissioner of Police, along with the DCP of the area, and large police force, goes there, barges into the house. Whatever material was collected was taken over unauthorizedly, which according to me, my lord, I have not hidden anything, and I am not feeling shy of saying it's an offense of theft. It's an offense of, there are several offenses, my lord, which I have mentioned. She takes it away, including, my lord, one of the mobile phones of ED officials. And, my lord, thereafter, there is no question of, my lord, my proving it. The respondent number 2 goes before the media and says that this is the great thing I have done. Lord, if this is, my lord, turning a blind eye to, Lord, this kind of things will continue, which will encourage not only the people in public life, it will encourage the officials, my lord, to not discharge their duty. They would, the central forces will be demoralized, and the state forces will feel that yes, we can go with the chief minister, we barge into somebody's premises, we collect the evidence, we commit theft of the evidence, and thereafter, if needed, we will sit on dharna also along with the chief minister. So, my lord, I am moving an application seeking a specific prayer that let that example be set, that the officers who were admittedly present, my lord, during our exercise of powers under section 17 be placed under suspension, and, my lord, let there be, my lord, a departmental inquiry, because this is a serious misconduct, even department.
So you want us to suspend?
My lord, your lordship may direct the competent authority to suspend. That's the prayer. Now, my lord, we approach the High Court. Please see, my lord, what happened in the High Court, my lord, page 1. Please see, my lord, my prayer. Lord, this is something very, very serious, your lord. May please take, my lord, cognizance of what is happening. Lord, first, see, I have quoted section 54 in my lord, context of the officers. Section 54 at page 5. Your lordship gets, my lord, page 5.
Yes.
My lord, this is PMLA Act, section 54. Certain officers and others to assist in inquiry, etc. The following officers are hereby empowered and required to assist the authorities in the enforcement of this act. One of them is officers of the police. And here police comes along with the chief minister to ensure that the evidence collected is removed by them under their supervision, under their threat. Lord, please have a look at my lord, the prayer, my lord, on the same page. Pass an order or direction placing under suspension the respondent number 3, 4, and 5 and any other police officer present during the raid conducted by the Enforcement Directorate on 8th of January 26. Direct the newly implemented respondent number 7 to 9. That is, my lord, the Chief Secretary and, my lord, their cattle controlling authorities, my lord, which I am seeking to implement, to initiate departmental inquiry proceedings for major penalty. But, my lord, right now, my lord, we are concerned, my lord, the pattern is this. Lord, I have given the examples and I'll take your lordships to those examples, shocking examples. Lord, earlier the CBI officers go. Lord, they do not go on their own. There is a judicial order passed by this honorable court directing investigation into some cheat fund offences. Lord, there is a discharge of their duty. The police officers are, the CBI officers are arrested and taken to the police station. The chief minister comes at the residence of the then police commissioner, who happens to be the director general of police today, and stages a dharna on the gate so that nobody can enter. The CBI officials, armed with Lord, the order of this court under an obligation to investigate in a different offense, Lord, are not permitted to do that. There are, Lord, there was a bail application, my lord, and I'm placing, my lord, those pleadings on record. There was a bail application of the law minister of the state being, one of the accused, a very prominent leader. The sitting law minister goes inside the courtroom and sits there with a crowd of 5,000 people shouting slogans. So there are several things, my lord, we want to show. Even in this case, my lord, this is the position. And my lord, another thing, my lord, kindly, my lord, appreciate.
Yes, 1 minute.
Yes. Lord, kindly see what happened in this particular case. Please come to page 121. Lord, we approach the Honorable High Court. Page 121 may be seen. This is what happens when mobocracy replaces democracy. 121. This is what the Honorable Judge of the High Court, Lord, records in a judicial order passed. The matter is taken up for consideration. At this juncture, a huge number of learned advocates as well as other persons enter the courtroom and create enormous disturbance and commotion. Request made by the court to maintain the decorum and dignity of the court so as that the matter can be taken up for consideration fell on deaf ears. The environment in the court is not conducive to commence or continue with the hearing. In view of such situation, my lord, the court says it's not conducive for hearing. In view of such situation, this court is constrained to adjourn the matter. Let the matter appear under the heading new motion on so and so.
Yesterday.
No, my lord, this was earlier. Now, my lord, your lordships, my lord, our innocent guess would.
Ninth, Malad, ninth.
It's ninth.
Yesterday, the hearing took
It's
place,
ninth.
there was no ruckus.
Yes, yes.
Yesterday, the
I-
hearing-
I point out what happened. I was
I
there.
was there, I was there, I saw what
No,
happened.
there, you
No,
should not have been there.
deliberately.
Why should I have been there?
I was
Why should I
prevented
have
from
been there?
speaking. My mic.
I saw it,
Only a
it is
minute,
on
only a
video,
No.
it is on video, I saw the video later in the day.
My learned, my learned
Figure
friend,
itself.
Yes,
At
exactly.
least
yes, my lord, my learned friend vehemence,
let him.
lord, I understand.
Your,
Lord, yeah,
Don't put any ruckus here, please continue.
no, my lord,
Continue, please
our, my lord, innocent thinking can be, after reading the judicial order of the learned judge, that maybe because of the sensitivity of the matter, the lawyers may have gone, some people, other people also may have gone out of curiosity, and that might have resulted into an unintentional kind of a chaos and chaotic situation. I have placed on record the WhatsApp chats that the Lord, the law wing of the party in power, my lord, of which the chief
No, it's
minister.
intentional or unintentional, but the High Court has recorded something.
Yes, my lord. And this was not, my lord, this was not spontaneous. My lord, they were all instructed by the legal cell of the parties to go there. That is page 119, my lord. This is, my lord, the WhatsApp message, my lord, one of the WhatsApp message from the legal cell of the party, my lord. Today on 9th January, court number 5, item 10. Come everyone. Lord, he is convener, Mr. Amit Kumar Das, convener, High Court. Then, my lord, second, gathering today at 1 p.m. at B gate.
Come everyone, as if it is Jantar Mantar.
Yes, the court is converted into Jantar Mantar. Lord, kindly read the second part. Today 9-1 is the first. Lord, today 9-1-26, court number 5, item number 10. Come everyone. Lord, this matter, which the learned judge records on 9-1, which your lordships have read at page 121. Next, gathering today at 1 p.m. at B gate. Come everyone. Will go to the procession of the Honorable CM so and so. Bus and vehicles are arranged. This is the, my lord, preparation. Yesterday, my lord, the Trinamool Congress, the party in power, filed a petition. In that, before the petition comes for hearing, look at the position in the High Court. The Honorable Acting Chief Justice then had to pass an order that nobody will be permitted to enter in this courtroom except the lawyers appearing, and it will be live telecast. It was only because of that, my lord, precaution that some hearing took place. That also, my lord, was less than, my lord, satisfactory. My learned my lord, senior friend appeared, and my lord, we faced several difficulties. I don't wish to say that, my lord. Here, if needed, we'll file even an affidavit. His mic was being constantly muted. Lord, these are, my lord, the issues. Your
No,
lordship,
but
kindly.
it is in the control of the court.
Lord, I don't wish to go into it, my lord. This is a petition for seeking protection of my fundamental rights. We are officers. My lord, the ED is not an organization only. My lord, under section 7 and 8, whatever, my lord, we recover, we don't recover for our personal purposes.